Hello, Mr. Singh.
Hello.
It's wonderful to be with you and the colleague today.
Yes.
And we are very familiar with Kenya and African countries. Now you come a long way from Kenya to China to see our metal fabrication workshop. Today I think from beginning to the end, our technicians have demonstrated and teach you how to operate the software and the basic functions and components of our laser cutting machine and the welding machine, and later on the CO2 laser. How do you think about that? I want to get some of your thoughts on everything like this.
It was a good experience. You get to know the machine well, and your team really helped understand the machine. Yeah, it was overall. I understood how to operate the machine, how to use it. Any difficulty, I've understood how to go forward with it. Yeah.
Yes, and also I have learned that you have used plasma cut before, which is also static control and very similar to our laser cutting machine software. And I see you learn things very fast. So, and we have back and forth with our technician many times, and pretty much interested for this kind of adjustment. So, what I'm thinking and wondering is that after we install and doing everything in Kenya workshop, so if we need further cooperation, like you to recommend more custom for us from Kenya market and African market, what do you say about that? And do you think that it will be a good idea for the more cooperation?
It's a good idea. That's what I said earlier. We can work together and we can market your products, your machines in Kenya.
Okay.
There is a market for it.
Okay. And if we want you to be our exclusive agent support in the future after we do the research and background of your company, would you like to join us?
Yes, we wouldn't have any problems.
Okay, and also if my boss want to have the exhibition in Nairobi in the future, if we need your assistance,
yes,
hope you can also help us. Okay?
We will accommodate you for the exhibition. We can arrange everything.
I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.